Welcome once again. I am here with chapter 3, question A, B, C. Okay, so you will listen carefully. And so in this chapter 3, that is the forest, come to the question answer. Question A, B and C. So today I will say you the answer of this question. You will listen carefully and you will note down. The question A1, forests serve as a home to many types of, you will fill here what, animals. Okay, so forests serve as home to many types of animals. In the question number 2, forest absorb large amount of dash gas. It is carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so forests absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide gas. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is the deforestation dash rainfall in the surrounding area. So we will write the answer. Deforestation decreases, DECREASES, decreases rainfall in the surrounding areas. Okay, so we will write this answer. And now come to the question number 4. Dash is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. So here you will write Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. What is it? What is this? It is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. Okay. Now come to the question number 5. See the question. For early man, forests were a source of dash and dash. So here you will write fill the in the early man in the for early man forests were a source of food and shelter. Okay, what is it? Is forest is the source of food and shelter. Okay, so here we will fill for early man, forest were a source of food and shelter. Okay, now come to the match the following. See the question, match the following. See here, and don't match with the lines. By making lines, don't match it. Just you write the answer in front of the question. That's resin. In front of the resin, you will write what? Paint. That means you will write 1 resin, then D paint. Okay. So 1 resin, answer is the D paint. Number 2 is the forest, and the answer is the soil conservator. That means 2 forest and C soil conservator. Okay. Number 3 is the deforestation. Then you will write here 3 deforestation and A cutting down of trees. Okay, what will you write? Cutting down of the trees. Okay, number 4 ashwagandha. So in the ashwagandha you will write 4 ashwagandha. Then answer is E, and then you will write medicinal plant. Okay, now 5 gums. So you will write here B, answer B, adhesive. You will write like this. Okay, you don't match with the line. Okay, now come to the question number C. Question number C is the leaf used to make disposable plates is the, what is the answer? It is areca nut leaf. Options are here tendu, amla, brahmi and areca. You will write here areca nut leaf. Okay, you will tick this. Okay, you will write the answer only. That means you will write like this. C1, the leaf used to make disposable plates is the, and write the answer B, areca nut leaves. Okay. Now number 2, deforestation result in A, B, C, D. These are the options. A, soil. C, low rainfall. F, flood. Okay. So you see the deforestation results in all the results in the soil erosion, in low rainfall and flood. So you will write here the answer, that is all the above. Okay, what will you write? You will write all the above. Now come to the beeswax. Question number 3. Beeswax is used to what? Options are spices, varnish, medicine and adhesive. You will write the answer C and medicine. Only you will write answer C. You will write beeswax is used to make then C, medicine. Okay. Now question number 4 is the, which of the following is not a forest? See this. You will write the answer only, that is D, kerosene. Only write D, kerosene. And the option, don't write the option. Options are gum, timber, ashwagandha and kerosene, and your answer will be only, you will write kerosene here. Okay, that means you will write which of the following is not a forest product, then you will write D, kerosene. Okay, now come to the question 5. Come to the question 5. See this question 5. Question 5 is the, if forest disappear, the amount of, the options are A, B, C, D. In A, carbon dioxide in air will decrease. In B, oxygen in air will increase. Number C, carbon dioxide in air will increase. Number D, nitrogen in air will increase. So here you will write the answer. The answer is the carbon dioxide in air will increase. Okay, when you disappear the forest, and that means when you cut the forest, then what will happen? Carbon dioxide in the air will increase. So you write the answer like this. If forest disappear, the amount of, you will write C, carbon dioxide in the air will increase. Okay, so this is all about your question A, B, C, and tomorrow I will give you the question answer of D. So you will get ready for that, and now your work is, you will learn and write question A, B, C in your notebook. Okay, that's all. Thank you.